Hello everyone, this is your educator Aisha and welcome to this session where we are going to learn the pronunciation of certain words, and most of you must be pronouncing wrong. All those who are new and watching me for the first time, if you also want to watch me live and clear your doubts, you can watch me at any of these particular time as per your comfort. So, if you're preparing for any of the competitive examination, this session is meant for each and everyone whosoever is watching this particular session. If you also want to improve your grammar part, so you have to watch me live at 5 p.m. only on our official YouTube channel, that is Wi-Fi Studies. So let's begin with the word and let's see the correct pronunciation of certain words. So here is first word with you. What do you pronounce it? The correct pronunciation of this word is bowl. You never ever have to pronounce it bowl, which means katora. You always have to pronounce this word as bowl. What is the correct pronunciation of this word? The meaning of this word is pratik, perfect example. So you always have to pronounce it as epitome, not epitome. You never ever have to pronounce it like epitome. You always have to say epitome. For example, you can say my mother is an epitome of kindness. My mother is an epitome. For example, my mother is a perfect example. So epitome means perfect example. Next word is debt, not debt, which means karza. So here B remains silent. Moving ahead, and let's see, what do you pronounce it? You also pronounce it like coupon. It is not coupon. The correct pronunciation of this word is coupon. The correct pronunciation is like coupon. It is not coupon. It is coupon. Right? And sabhi ko ek baar zarur mila hoga coupon. Right? So what do you pronounce it? This is very interesting and most of you pronounce it wrong. What is the correct pronunciation of this word? The correct pronunciation of this word is etc. It is etc., not etc. There is no sound like ka when you are pronouncing it etc. For example, you have to bring your laptop, your smartwatch, you have to bring your pen tab, you have to bring your stroller, etc. You never ever say etc. Okay, you never ever have to pronounce it ka sound while you pronounce etc. Next to is February. Never ever pronounce it like February or any other word. You have to pronounce R twice, like February. It's February, the second month of the year. It is February. Next की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा interesting. What do you pronounce it? Write in the comment section right now. What do you pronounce it? Do you also pronounce it like asthma? So it is wrong. You always have to pronounce it like asthma. It is not asthma. You must be shocked, है ना? इसको asthma नहीं पढ़ते हैं. This is pronounced like asthma. It is asthma, not asthma. Right? जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं दमा, जो बहुत से लोगों की दमा की प्रॉब्लम होती है. That is called as asthma, not asthma. Next word for you is, what do you pronounce it? Write in the comment section right now. What do you pronounce it as? Do you also pronounce it like debris? Do you pronounce it? You are the one who pronounce it like debris. No, you never have to pronounce it like debris. The correct pronunciation of this word is debris. It is not debris. It is debris. There is no sound like sa while you pronounce it debris. जिसका मतलब क्या होता है? मलबा. So you can see this is so called as malba. So you never have to pronounce it like debris. It is debris. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see what is the next word for you. It is, what do you pronounce it? And most of you pronounce it executive. But the correct pronunciation of this word is executive. It is executive, not executive. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Say executive, 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 not executive. What do you pronounce this word? And you must be mouth-watering at this moment. Anyways, I am mouth-watering. What do you pronounce it? Do you also pronounce it like mojito? There is no ja sound while you pronounce this word. You always have to pronounce it like mojito. It is not mojito, it is mojito. So you always have to pronounce हा साउंड, नॉट ज साउंड. I hope so कि आपको ये सुन के अच्छा लगा होगा. You must have learned something new. So if yes, do not forget to hit the like button. All the students or the aspirants are watching me, and if you feel like that you have learned something new, make sure that you have to hit the like button. Next word, what do you pronounce it? So the correct pronunciation of this word is receipt. It is not receipt. The correct pronunciation is receipt. जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं रसीद. जब आप कुछ सामान लेने जाते हो तो आपको उसको रिटर्न में क्या देता है? रिसीट देता है. वो देता है द एक्शन ऑफ रिसीविंग समथिंग और द फैक्ट दैट इट्स बीइंग रिसीव्ड. द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज रिसीट, नॉट रिसीव्ड. What do you pronounce this word? And most of you, I can assure you, this word most of you pronounce it wrong. Just come on, say, what do you pronounce this word? Do you also pronounce it as lingerie? No, the correct pronunciation of this word is lingerie. You must be surprised to hear this, right? It is lingerie. Don't say lingerie. There is no g sound while you pronounce this word. So you always have to pronounce it like lingerie. Lingerie. The sound will be jaw, not g. Lingerie. This is lingerie. Repeat after me. Say lingerie. And what is the meaning of lingerie? This is women's innerwear and night clothes are called as lingerie. Next word for you is, it is, देख के आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. What do you pronounce this word? Mayonnaise. It is not mayonnaise. The correct pronunciation of this word is mayonnaise. It's mayonnaise. There is no ya sound. It is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, right? Next is what? What do you pronounce it? And whenever I am munching, whenever I feel like that I have to eat something, I always go for almond. It is not almond or it is not almond or something like this. You always have to pronounce it like almond. It is almond. Almond. There is no la sound here. It is almond, not almond. It is, repeat after me, almond. It is almond. It is almond, right? I hope so कि आपको ज़रूर अच्छा लग रहा होगा. अगर yes, so do not forget to hit the like button. What is the next? What do you pronounce it? Strong black coffee. What do you pronounce this? Do you pronounce it like espresso? There is no ka sound. It pronounce it in the same way जैसे कि ये लिखा जाता है. This is like espresso. Espresso. स का sound होता है. There is no ka sound here. So I hope so कि आप लोगों को सेशन ज़रूर अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो please do not forget to hit the like button and share the sessions. Thank you everybody.